Hey guys, what's up? This is Atharva and you're watching SGFX. And yes guys, in today's video we're gonna be having a look at how to make a clean, sleek, elegant and rugged looking logo on Android just using PS Touch and PixelLab. So let's get started right after the intro. So for creating the logo, first you need to add a text, and we're gonna be creating the text using PixelLab. So open PixelLab. So guys, once you have opened the PixelLab app, you just need to edit the text. In this case, we are going to just add a logo initial, which is A for my channel SGFX. Click OK and increase the size of your text just like this as shown in the video, and position it into the center just like this. Add some padding. So guys, once you have added the padding, just go ahead and click OK and bring the logo to the center. And once you're done that, it's time to edit the font. So the font we are going to be using in this tutorial is Jersey Sharp. The download link for the font will be given in the description below. Just center the logo again, which is the font. Bring it to the center just like this, and color the font with white color and make the background transparent, and just save it to gallery. So guys, now our basic work with the text and the font is done, and it's time to design it and design the background. So for this we are going to be using Photoshop Touch, so just open Photoshop Touch for now. Sorry guys, I just forgot to mention that the download link for PS Touch is given below in the description box. Go ahead and download it first. So guys, after opening PS Touch, you just need to import the text that we just made in PixelLab and just place it right there. Click on the tick mark button just like that, and after that click on the layer button, and then select the background layer, and then click on this and button, and then click fill and stroke, and then fill whole background with black color as shown in the video. So guys, now click on the OK button and then select the layer option. Click on the text that we just created, select pixels and add a gradient just like this. Select this gradient as shown in the video. And after that guys, just click on the OK button, then select the layer option, and then click empty layer and select the pen tool just like this. Set the color which is darker than the gradient that we just set. Increase the size. I just here forgot to increase the size. Then increase the size just like this, and just randomly add strokes of it, and make sure that the mask is selected. I mean the selected pixels are still selected, so that the paintbrush does not get outside the masked path. Then click on the top right corner and select this brush and bring up the vertical lever and randomly just stroke it as we did previously with the normal brush with zero hardness. And then you can try random strokes like decreasing the size. It's all up to you. You can experiment your ideas in it, but I prefer decreasing only size. And then you just have to merge down the layers and then create a duplicate layer of it. Then just tap on the and button and fill in stroke and fill the object with a color which is lighter than the background we just made, so it can catch up the contrast. After that you have to just click on the and button and click move and transform, and just move it a little bit left or right as per your adjustments, which is looking perfect for your initial. And then make it more lighter, something like just like this. And now you can deselect the pixels. After that guys, you just have to click on the bottommost layer and add an empty layer just like this, and then you can add a gradient. We are going to add a radical gradient, which is something just like this. after that guys, you can merge that layer down with the background layer. Select the topmost layer, add a photo layer. The link for this image will be given down in the description below, or it will be included in a pack. So the link for the pack will be given down in the description. Just play around with the blending modes. I prefer screen and add because they remove all the blacks in the image and keep the whites only. So try screen or add, and then add this smoke image. This image too will be included in the pack. You can totally use this. As you can see, there are rough edges in the smoke, so we are gonna erase them with a soft eraser, something just like this. And after that, we are going to be creating a duplicate layer of it and transforming it to another edge. So we are going to be flip X and flip Y and placing it to another corner, the opposite corner. And then we are again going to add a photo layer, which is this, and the link for the same will be given in the description below or included in the pack. So we are going to be duplicate it and doing the same, adjusting it into the another corner just like this, and click OK. And after this we are gonna be adding a glitch effect. So for this we are gonna merge down and flatten this whole thing, and we are gonna be creating 3 duplicate layers of this for 3 channels, which is RGB, red, green and blue. Select the adjustment tab and click on the curves. Bring the red to the lowest value and green to the lowest value as well, and click on OK. Select the middle layer, click on the adjustments again, click on the curves again, revert the values which were recently done. Now bring, I guess, red to the lowest and blue to the lowest, and click OK. Go to the topmost layer, adjustments again and curves again, revert the values. Now bring blue to the lowest and green to the lowest and click OK. After that, you go into the layer section, click on the red layer and change the blending mode to screen. Do the same with the green channel. As you can see, our logo is reverted to our original colors. After that, select the red layer and click on and button and transform it. Select the pixel nudge and just move a little bit to right side, something just like this. As you can see, there is a glitch effect, and there you have it guys. You have yourself your logo ready. Just the last step is to flatten or merge down. It's up to you what you choose, and your logo is ready. Hope you guys stay creative. See you in the next video. Bye bye.